So I've had the call from work and the roads to get there looks pretty not good. But the roads around it seem alright, so let's go out in the MX-5.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Right, so let's not crash. Let's not crash. The best thing about this so far already is that having no power steering don't really matter in the snow. It's nice and easy. As you can see, I've probably just done a couple of little pulls in the driveway. It's slippery out there, but where the car's light, we might just get away with it. I'm going to keep this on till we get to the motorway just in case anything drastic happens, and then we should be off. We are spinning.
It's like, oh, fucking lit so much, right? Looked out the window, I was like, yeah, oh, fuck yeah!
Oh, Leon, yeah, I know. I don't know how he did it. Oh, was he?
Yeah.
Tell him to look out the window. Well, just because you've got a camera on your head, don't look like a dick, because that's what I normally do.
Is it actually filming that?
Yeah. Still had the indicator on the whole way.
Where's it now?
It's just a right and a left. Oh mate, this is so much fun.
Fuck yeah. Drifting.
Shit.
This is terrible.
Oh, I thought I had enough momentum to do that call it
You
then.
got to try it. Drifting.
Yeah, I got it.
Where is it?
He's just down the left here. You messaged him.
Yeah.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to do this properly. Got to do this properly.
Drifting, recording. Where's this car?
Oh shit. Oh. That was on full lock. Was it this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cleveland. Alright.
Drifting. Oh my god.
Yeah, I've got it.
Oh, he's recorded it.
What, Leon has? Oh, tell him I'm coming again. Tell him I'm coming again, quick. Yeah? Oh, hang on.
No, I said it coming again.
Alright.
I think I see him.
Alright, this one's more 10 there. Woo! Oh shit!
No trains whatsoever. I just did. Oh, come on.
Right, let me pull over quick. I want to have a look. I'll just stop here. That's fucking 10. Oh, I'm very close to the curb. I wanted to get it different. Jokes. Fuck her on the bike. The minute you get in snow, you're fucked in them.
No, it's 10 going down a hill one.
Yeah, that's true.
Snow.
Just fucking hold the back brake on the whole way down.
You see when you go like places, they lean out their car, sit on their car.
Yeah.
I should do that going around the corner.
I'm gonna have my fucking hand. I'm gonna have one hand out the window.
Sit on this, like, yeah.
Tell Leon I'll come around one more time.
Yeah,
oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit hard now where I've gone over it a few times. It's fucking. Oh fuck! Yeah, it's gripping up a bit now. It's a bit hard. There we go. Right, ready?
Oh.
Ah, fuck! I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Wait, hang on.
No, you're not.
I knew I'd
Yeah.
spin. The one time I showboat.
Yeah.
I got that one in slow mo.
You got that.
At this moment, he knew he fucked up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, what are you doing? Oh, because we're gonna go somewhere. We might do something. We'll go. Just legend us. Huh?
Yeah, if Leon wants to get in my car for a bit, he can if he wants.
If you
I don't really want to do a U-turn because I'll fuck it up.
go down there.
Yeah, go down there and then bust a left.
And then, yeah, bust a left, then you just do the screen there. Yeah, right, we'll be like 3 minutes if that. Yeah, right then.
It's jokes, innit? This is why everyone needs a fucking rear-wheel drive car, I'm telling you.
See, I'd shit myself doing this.
I'm shitting myself, but it's just that you gotta get confident. It's not like I'm never gonna, like, it's not like snow's never gonna come again. You gotta fucking. You just gotta be really delicate with it and not like just mash your foot on the ground like that.
Yeah, I know. So when you get
Like around Leon's bit, I'm barely even on the throttle.
yeah, like when you see like mud, I know like you're not meant to.
And
fucking,
black ice as well, that's the thing to watch
I know you're
out
not
for.
meant to like proper. Yeah, you're meant to go really slow.
See,
like
look, I'm barely touching the throttle. I can feel the wheels spinning.
Yeah. When I go up Durham, my mate's like well good at fucking off-road driving.
Yeah.
In like a Land Rover and shit, and he's like, yeah, this is what you have to do. Like you literally have to fucking once it's got the grip, don't fucking abuse it.
Nah.
I thought you then just press it once.
Yeah, press it once and that's it. I'm gone. Alright. Last go.
Make it a good one.
Yeah, I'm on it. Right. Ooh, that might be a bit much. No, got it, I got it, I got it.
That was 10.
Right. Oh, that guy's there again.
Yeah, fuck this, I'm gonna. Oh. Yeah.
Oh shit, I was gonna stop. One more.
Woolwich. And I was like, oh, he said that's gonna be fucked. Rude. Whiffing. He was like, yeah. He was like, oh yeah, they're gonna be fucked. And if they ain't gonna be fucked like now, then they're gonna be fucked later on.
To record this, gonna get fucking licked straight off it. I reckon I'm just gonna wait. Record it, because I think I'm just gonna go. Oh fuck! I think I'm just gonna go fucking. I think I'm just gonna get licked off by it. It's not even gonna move.
Yeah, go on.
This works.
It's like don't go bare fast. Go. I'll get licked off it. Shit, well, no.
Get all the snow and you're just gonna go.
Oh yes, go.
Oh my days. What's it when you fucking get licked off it?
It's just getting dragged.
Yeah. Oh no!
Fucking hell!
Yeah.
Do you want me to tie it on again?
Oh shit!
It's still there, the rope's there.
Yeah, the rope's still on there.
bro.
Yes, let's go, let's go.
What's Sam gonna do?
What are you doing? Oh no, yes! That is lit. There's no back wheel on it.
Let me sit on that.
Wait, no, smash the other wheel off because then this will be like a ski.
So it is actually the next day. Going to be going into work today, even though it's snowing still, so I reckon I can make it. So I'm going to give it a go. Let me know if you do want to see the sledging stuff. It is absolutely hilarious. Some of it I do want to put in a separate video, so if that's what you want to see as well, comment below, leave a like on the video. Really enjoyed this, possibly the best day of 2018. So thank you very much for watching, and until the next one, I'll see you later.
It's always been about bragging and boasting, and I'm better than you with this, and I'm better than you with that. And I finally found something that, yeah, this kid over here, you know, he may have more chicks, like he may have better clothes or whatever, but he can't do this like me.